Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm lead marketer at Midtherm Laser Limited. We're based in Dudley in the Black Country. We are a subcontract laser cutting and forming specialist. The Black Country is renowned for its industrial heritage, and we're still working with metal, but we're doing it in a much more modern way. We're currently running 4 fibre lasers and 4 press brakes, so we can do laser cutting and forming and deliver your parts to you when they're done. We have a quality system in place to ensure that every part complies to the quality standards set out by ISO. If you're in the market for any laser cutting or forming and you'd like any more information, have a look on our website or give us a call.